Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Qatar Airways' new flagship, 777X, set to replace the iconic A380. When Qatar Airways announced the retirement of its Airbus A380 fleet, it left a huge gap in capacity on major long-haul routes. The A380 carried over 500 passengers, offered the famous Qsuite, and provided unmatched comfort due to its massive size. But rising fuel prices, maintenance costs, and limited flexibility made the A380 hard to justify. The airline needed a next-generation aircraft that could deliver the same range and comfort but with far better efficiency. That pointed directly to the Boeing 777X. Historical fleet context and initial retirement plans. Qatar Airways took delivery of its first A380 in 2014, eventually operating 10 units alongside a fleet of Boeing 777s and Airbus A350s. In 2019, amid booming demand from Doha's Hamad International Airport, DO, the airline announced plans to retire the A380s by 2024, citing high maintenance costs and slot inefficiencies at congested airports. The Superjumbo, with its 555-seat capacity in a 3-class layout, excelled on trunk routes to London and Sydney but struggled with flexibility. Boeing's 777X was earmarked as the direct heir, promising similar scale with lower emissions, up to 20% better fuel burn per seat than the A380. This move reflected a broader post-pandemic rethink, airlines favoring versatile twins over quads for sustainability and adaptability. Boeing 777X orders. A massive commitment. Qatar Airways has ordered 94 Boeing 777X aircraft, including 6 777 9-passenger variants and freighter options, part of a landmark $200 billion deal for 160 widebodies announced in May 2025. This includes 74 passenger jets, with options for more 787s to supplement growth. The 777-9, the largest variant, boasts a 426-seat capacity and 7,285 nautical mile range, ideal for Doha to New York or Sydney non-stops. CEO Badr Mohammed Al Mir emphasized this as a fleet renewal strategy, securing slots amid Boeing's backlog. The order underscores confidence in the 777X despite rivals like the A350-1000, positioning Qatar to lead Middle East carriers in modernizing high-capacity operations. Certification delays and A380 Lifeline. Boeing's 777X program, plagued by engine issues, GE9X turbofans, FAA scrutiny, and supply chain woes, slipped from 2020 to 2025 certification. Qatar, third in line after Lufthansa and Emirates, now anticipates first deliveries in early 2026, with passenger service by late 2026 or 2027. These setbacks prompted a U-turn. Congestion at key hubs and airspace limits further justified this, as A380s offer unmatched density, up to 615 economy seats, buying time for the 777X ramp-up. Capacity and range. Bridging the Superjumbo gap. The A380's double-deck design delivers 10–15% more seats than the 777-9 in comparable configurations, but the latter's folding wingtips enable 13% longer range, over 8,000 nautical miles fully loaded. Qatar configures A380s with 517 seats, 8 first, 48 business, 461 economy, while the 777X will likely mirror this at 426,450 seats, prioritizing premium space for Qsuite business class. This makes the 777X a spiritual successor for high-volume routes, avoiding the A380's gate restrictions at smaller airports. Industry analysts note it replicates 80% of the Superjumbo's utility with twin-engine simplicity. Efficiency and sustainability advantages. Fuel costs for A380s run 20–25% higher than modern twins due to 4 engines and weight, per IATA data. The 777X counters this with composite wings, 25% lighter, and advanced aerodynamics, slashing CO2 emissions by 12% versus the A380. Qatar, targeting net zero by 2050, views this as pivotal. The 777X's per-seat efficiency supports ESG goals while cutting Doha-based operations' carbon footprint. Al Mir highlighted this in 2025 briefings, noting the shift aligns with global regs like CORSIA, making a 380 retirement economically inevitable once 777Xs arrive. Premium cabin innovations on the 777X. Qatar plans to debut Qsuite Next Gen on the 777-9, featuring private jet-like first-class suites with floor-to-ceiling doors and 180-degree recline beds surpassing current A380 first class. This will launch on premium routes to Europe, the US, and Asia by 2027, with 777X cabins emphasizing personalization via mood lighting and expanded IFE. Unlike the A380's communal lounge, the 777X prioritizes privacy for high-yield passengers, boosting revenue 10–15% per flight. Retrofitting select A380s with new first class in 2025 bridges the gap, but the 777X cements Qatar's luxury edge. Strategic implications and future outlook. The 777X integration will phase out all 10 A380s and 64 older 777s by 2030, expanding Qatar's fleet to 400-plus aircraft for 300-plus destinations. This bolsters Doha as a super hub, rivaling Dubai, while hedging with 787s for medium haul. Risks remain. Further Boeing delays could extend A380 life, but Al Mir remains optimistic. The 777X is our future flagship. Ultimately, this replacement exemplifies aviation's evolution, from behemoths to efficient giants, ensuring Qatar's dominance in long-haul premium travel. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.